Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. For wheels, we've got 18-inch twin 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Up front we've got an illuminated star which lights up at night. Silk beige MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Come around back. C300 4MATIC badging. Set of all season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Power liftgate. Blind spot assist. Heated seats, a natural grain walnut wood trim. Power windows. Heated steering wheel. Hop in and we've got a touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also included is smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. 10.25 widescreen media display. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, wireless charging, USB ports. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. Turn wheel for infotainment center. This C-Class has 5,647 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.